Here's everything you need to know about one of the most viral AI tools right now. In this video, we're gonna break down exactly how HeyGen works, the different apps you can use inside the platform, and step by step on how to create your very own AI avatar. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. First, let's talk about what HeyGen actually is. HeyGen is an AI video generation platform that specializes in creating realistic avatars and video content without cameras, actors, or even editing software. Think of it as your personal AI studio. All you need is a browser, an internet connection, and an idea. As you can see here, this is a signed-in account already, but if you don't have an account yet, you can create one for free and even signing it just by using your Google account or any other account. The first thing you want to do is to look over the left-hand panel and click on Apps. This is where HeyGen hides all of its powerful features. And the best part, each app is built to solve a specific content problem, so you don't have to waste time trying to figure out complicated settings. Now let me walk you through each one of them so you know exactly what's possible before we jump into cloning yourself. First, there's PPT or PDF to video. This one is a lifesaver for professionals and students. Upload your slides or documents, and HeyGen automatically converts them into a talking video presentation. No more boring text-only decks. You can have an AI avatar present your slides as if it were you. Then you have Translate Video. This feature is incredible for global creators. You can upload a video in one language, and HeyGen will translate it into multiple languages while matching the lip movements. Imagine recording once in English and instantly having versions in Spanish, French, or Japanese. All of this are lip synced and ready to share worldwide. Next is URL to video. You can paste a website link, and HeyGen summarizes the content into a full video. It's like turning your blog posts or articles into quick video explainers without having to rewrite everything. Another powerful one is batch mode. This is designed for agencies or businesses that need multiple avatar videos at once. Instead of generating them one by one, you can set up a batch and HeyGen processes everything together, saving tons of time. Then there's the Quick Avatar Video app, which is perfect if you just need a short, simple clip with an AI avatar speaking your script. Then we have the Interactive Avatar app, where things start to feel futuristic. You can build an avatar that actually responds to prompts in real time. Think of it as chatting with an online version of yourself or a virtual spokesperson.
Hi, I'm Judy, and I'm thrilled to have you join HeyGen. Let's start with a little about who we are. At HeyGen, we're all about making visual storytelling accessible to everyone through innovative AI technology. We value creativity, collaboration, integrity, and continuous learning, and that's why compliance training is key to maintaining our positive culture. Now, you asked about the difference between human resource management and personnel. That's a great question. Human resource management, HRM, is a broad field that involves developing and implementing strategies to recruit, train, develop, and support employees. It focuses on organizational goals, employee engagement, performance management, training programs, and aligning HR practices with business objectives. Personnel management, on the other hand, is more traditional and often refers to handling day-to-day employee administrative tasks like payroll, record keeping, and maintaining employment records.
Now this is what you call a powerhouse AI tool. Next up is Instant Highlights. This one automatically cuts your long-form videos into short, engaging clips for your social media. This is perfect for repurposing content without sitting through hours of editing. And of course, there's also an option to create your own avatar, where you upload footage of yourself to generate a personal digital twin. And one of the most viral features right now is a product placement ad. This one is huge for creators and businesses. You upload a photo of yourself and the product you want to promote, and HeyGen will generate a complete product ad featuring you as a presenter, no filming, no script memorization, and no studio at all. Pretty impressive, right? But now let's get to the real deal. The one you're here for, which is creating an AI animated clone of yourself. Here's how it works. Once you open the cloning app, all you need to do is upload two things: a clear photo of yourself and a short voice recording. That's it. No video shoot, no green screen, and no expensive gear. Just a single image and your voice. The AI will process your inputs and generate a realistic video of you speaking. And the cool part is, you can also type in prompts to customize your output. For example, if you want your clone to smile, emphasize certain words, or use specific gestures, you can guide the AI through those details. When the video is ready, you can download it in 720p resolution, completely free, which is pretty solid quality for AI video generation. If you need a higher resolution or more customization, there are paid options. But honestly, 720p looks professional enough for more use cases like social media, presentation, and even ads. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So what really is the purpose of using this tool? Well, the applications are endless. If you're a marketer, you can create personalized product ads in minutes. If you're an educator, you can generate training materials or explainer videos without recording over and over again. If you're a content creator, you can scale your production by literally cloning yourself. Imagine publishing videos daily without ever turning on your camera. And honestly, that's a real magic here. HeyGen is taking what used to be a time-consuming, expensive process and making it simple, fast, and affordable for everyone. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.